And after 10 seconds, you should see an alarm being triggered by the data agent. Yep, there we go. 10 seconds, too long time and area from the FixedIT Data Agent. So the reason for creating this was that the fisheye cameras does not support the same kind of time and area or loitering detection in Access Object Analytics as the other cameras do. So we created this for one project where we want to do the same kind of analytics that Access Object Analytics is normally doing. So this is what it looks like when the application is just installed, no custom UI is uploaded. But if we click the upload button, we can select our index.html file for this time and area project. So we have created a custom user interface specifically for this project. And when we upload it, we can see that here we get the configuration fields for this project. So now we can see the polygon here that we have configured. We can see the polygons that exist in Access Object Analytics, and we can choose to import any of these polygons. So let's import the one on the left, and we have now configured a 10-second time and area for humans on this left side of the view. We could see that we triggered we had an overlay here in the top right corner showing when the too long time and area was triggered, and that was set up using the event rule engine. So the new feature in our data agent is that we can now produce events from Telegraph. So here we have one called overlay from FixedIT time and area. And this one is consuming the FixedIT time and area event. So where does this come from? This was configured in this configuration file. So here we can see that we have an output, which is an event output. It's using our event handler to produce events. And it's creating events on this name, this topic structure. It's stateful events with one active, with one data item called active, which is a Boolean. So this is how we are creating the events from the data agent. So this is done all with the data agent using some different scripts, Stardock scripts, and so forth. But one of the things included in this one is include zone filtering, so we only consider detections that are in a specific polygon.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation of the Time and Area project that we built for a customer using the Data Agent. The Data Agent is a flexible platform for creating bespoke video analytics that run directly on Axis cameras. Its real strength lies in processing and analyzing metadata, metrics generated by other detectors rather than raw video. In this project, we analyzed object detection data from the built-in analytics available in Axis cameras, such as detections of vehicles and people. The data agent can further analyze these detections to understand movement patterns, where objects first appear and how they interact over time. Based on this analysis, we can generate aggregated statistics and push it to databases or external systems, or trigger in-camera events, just as we did in this use case. If you have a bespoke project where you need a custom video analytics application, we'd be happy to help. Contact us at info@fixedit.ai to get in touch.